There's Mr. Liam, and here comes the car. Thank you. Oh, that was Daddy's fault. Alright, let's try it again. Thank you. He knows to give it to me. Alright, let's try this again, Liam. Ready? Here it comes. Woo! Thank you, Liam. You want to give it to Quinn? Good job. Alright, Quinn, put it on the thing. Alright, Liam, let go. Woo! Alright. Quinn, that's not a slide. Whoa! Be careful. Alright, can you say bye-bye? Bye. Liam, can you say bye-bye? Liam, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.